Good morning, students. Today we discuss a chapter 2nd of class first, living and non-living things. Living means the things that can live and have life. Living means things that can live and have life. Non-living means things that cannot live and have no life. Non-living means things that cannot live and have no life. In this chapter, we read about living things and non living things. Here we have a story of Rohan. There was a cat in Rohan's house. It had four beautiful tiny kittens. Tiny means small, kittens means baby of cat. The kittens grew up fast and started running around the house. Grew means big, around means nearby. Rohan's mother gave them milk. Things that can move, breathe, eat, feel, grow, and have babies are called living things. Things such as stones cannot move on their own. They do not breathe and grow. Such things are called non living things. Means living things are those things that can move, feel, breathe, eat, and grow. And whereas non living things are those things that cannot move on their own, that cannot breathe and grow. The cat and kitten are living things. We are also living things. Next, from this picture, we have to write here 3 living things and 3 non living things. Living things are cat, kitten, and Rohan. Non living things are bed, table, and window. Next, firstly, we discuss about living things. All plants and animals are living things. All plants and animals are living things. Next, from this picture, we have to write here 5 living things. From this picture, we have a boy, a girl, a man, dogs, and butterfly are living things. Next, let us see what living things need and what they can do. First point, living things eat. Living things eat. All living things need food and water to grow big and keep healthy. Healthy means good health. All living things need food and water to grow big and keep healthy. Next, we have here some pictures and we tick on that pictures that can eat food. A butterfly can eat food. A gift cannot eat food because this is non-living thing. A doll cannot eat food because this is also a non-living thing. A cat can eat food because this is living thing. A boy can eat food because this is also a living thing. Next, our second point is living things breathe. Living things breathe. Breathe means take air. Hold your hand just under your nose. Do you feel anything? Yes, we feel the air. We feel the air that you were breathing out. All living things breathe air. All living things breathe air. Third point, living things grow. Living things grow. Question is, were you always the same size? No. Our answer is no. Next question, can you still wear the clothes you wore when you were 1 year old? Would you wear the same clothes which we wore in our old age? No, we do not wear the same clothes because that clothes do not fit us now. All living things grow. All living things grow. Next, we have 3 photographs here of Murali. These photographs were taken when he was 1 year old, 10 years old, and 25 years old. Number the photographs correctly. In this picture, Murali was looking about 10 years old, so we have to write here number 2. In this picture, Murali was looking about 1 year old, so we have to write here number 1. In this picture, Murali was looking about 25 years old, so we have to write here number 3. Next, our fourth point is not living things move. Living things move. In the pictures given below, tick the things that can move. From these pictures, we have to tick on that picture that can move. A whale can move. A horse can move. Living things move. Fifth point, living things feel. Living things feel. Hold an ice cube. How does it feel? When we hold an ice cube on our hand, what does we feel? It feels very cold. It feels very cold. When we stand near a bonfire, we feel very warm. We feel very warm. Means all living things feel. Sixth point, living things have babies. Living things have babies. From this picture, who is the father holding? The father is holding his baby. From this picture, there are dash near the mother hen. There are 3 eggs near the mother hen. Living things lay eggs or have babies. Next, we study about non-living things. Non-living things are those things that cannot breathe, that cannot grow, and that cannot need any type of food and water. Name the things you see in the classroom. From this classroom, we have to write here blanks: desk, chair, dustbin, fan, blackboard, books, duster, chalk, and bag. All these are non-living things. They do not breathe, eat, move, grow, big, or feel. They do not have babies. So these things are included in non-living things. Next, non-living things can be human-made or natural. Human-made means made by man. Natural means made by nature. Next, we have human-made non-living things. All the things in the list above are made by man. All these things are made by man. So, all the things are called human-made non-living things. Next, we have to write here human-made non-living things: desk, chair, bag, books, and chalk. Next, we have natural non-living things. Natural non-living things, we see many natural non-living things around us. Natural things are made by nature. Clouds, water, and soil are all natural non-living things. Look at this picture and fill in the blanks. The big rocks and small stones near the river are natural non-living things. The clouds in the sky are also natural non-living things. There is a water in the river.